All right, Will. So we got a watch here, and it's in Gotham City inspired watch. Are you going to reveal it for us? It's very nice. I like it.
I feel like this is your
All right, I'll do
wheelhouse.
it. Let's go.
It is your style.
Black and yellow. Let's go.
Maybe not the strap though.
Too much. Too much, you say?
Yeah, I think
Okay.
it's too much.
Yeah, I don't think if you get a watch of this caliber, I don't think you goof around with it too much. You just take and you wear it like, I don't know, twice a year or something.
I'm also noticing the crown is a wheel, like a tire.
You're damn right it is.
That's cool.
There's some rubber going on where the rubber hits the road. It's going to cost $220, $240.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Depending how you get it. 36 pieces will sell for $220 with carbon titanium, diamond-like carbon titanium. And then you'll have an 18-karat rose gold version, also 36 pieces. Well, I don't know what the significance of the number 36 is. That'll be $240,000. So you got to be a real Batman.
Yeah.
I don't know. Does Rob get one? Does Rob get one of these? Oh, he does. You'll make sure of it.
Well, I don't know. I'm just saying. He should. He's the Batman.
He's
the Batman.
It's true. It always gets more serious when they put the in front of it. It's not he's Batman. It's the Batman. It's like, wow. Shoo. Imagine being introduced that way. The Will. He's the Will. He's the Mo. Oh, which one do you like better, by the way? The rose gold or the carbon, diamond-like carbon? I already know the answer.
Yeah.
Okay, good. No need to say it. Everyone else knows the answer, too.
Yeah, I'm pretty
No
sure
one
everybody
wants the
knows.
rose gold. Okay. It doesn't even really fit the aesthetic
Batman,
at
no,
all. Like,
vibe,
it doesn't make any sense with that band and everything else.
Yeah.
Somebody wants the rose gold.